Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we forget Bluetooth headphone to our phone. Friends, you have connected any Bluetooth device and guys now you want to forget in your phone. So how can you forget your Bluetooth headphone to your phone, and guys you are using your Bluetooth headphone and guys it's not working properly, so you will have to forget it. After forget guys you can connect again, then guys you can use your Bluetooth headphone without any problem. So friends, now let's see how can we forget Bluetooth headphone to our phone. So when first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your Bluetooth setting guys. Click on your phone Bluetooth setting, and friends you can see guys which device guys you have connected. So I have connected guys this Bluetooth pre-tone company headphone. So I will tap here to forget. Then guys you can see first of all device name setting guys. So once you want to change guys your Bluetooth headphone device name, so guys you can change from here, but guys we want to forget. So when unpair option, tap here to forget. After forget guys we cannot use our Bluetooth headphone. After guys 4 and 5 seconds guys you can connect your device, your Bluetooth headphone, and guys any Bluetooth device with your phone without any problem guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.